Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Chevy Cruze and I will show you how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulbs. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now luckily on these vehicles it is quite easy to replace the turn signal light bulbs. They will be located right here, right? And so this is the low beam and high beam light bulb, and this is the turn signal one. So all you have to do, you have to turn this socket counterclockwise to remove it from the housing and pull it straight out. Once you have everything out, to remove the bulb from the socket, there is no turning or anything, you just want to pull it straight out, and that's it. When installing the new bulb, you do the same, just insert it in and turn the socket clockwise. 2 minutes to replace. Now the other side, the driver's side, it will be completely the same. There is a bit less space down here to insert your hand to turn it, but it is still doable without any major problems. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.